Welcome to the ultimate guide to Spigen's MagFit wallet. If you're a tech enthusiast or someone who loves combining style with functionality, you're in for a treat. In this comprehensive YouTube video, we'll dive deep into the world of Spigen's MagFit wallet, exploring its design, features, and how it seamlessly integrates into your daily life. Whether you're a longtime Spigen fan or just discovering the brand, join us on this journey as we uncover everything you need to know about this innovative accessory. Let's unlock the full potential of the MagFit wallet and elevate your everyday carry experience. Don't miss out. Hit that play button and let the ultimate guide begin. In the ultimate guide to Spigen's MagFit wallet, we embark on a detailed exploration of this cutting-edge accessory, unveiling its key points and features that set it apart in the realm of tech-savvy essentials. First and foremost, the MagFit wallet boasts a sleek and stylish design that seamlessly integrates with your everyday carry, offering a perfect blend of aesthetics and practicality. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, Spigen ensures that this wallet is not only a fashion statement, but also a robust companion for your daily adventures. One of the standout features we'll delve into is the MagFit wallet's ingenious magnetic attachment system. Compatible with MagSafe technology, this wallet securely grips onto your essentials, providing a hassle-free and reliable way to keep your cards and cash in place. We'll demonstrate how the magnetic functionality strikes the perfect balance between accessibility and security, ensuring your belongings stay firmly in position while remaining easily accessible when needed. Beyond its magnetic prowess, our guide will explore the wallet's internal organization. Boasting dedicated card slots and storage compartments, the MagFit wallet is designed for efficiency. We'll showcase how this thoughtful layout enables you to keep your essentials in order, minimizing clutter and optimizing your everyday carry experience. From its chic exterior to its intelligent interior, this ultimate guide aims to equip you with the knowledge to make the most of Spigen's MagFit wallet, elevating your style and organization game to new heights. As we conclude the ultimate guide to Spigen's MagFit wallet, we trust that this in-depth exploration has provided you with valuable insights into the remarkable features and functionality of this innovative accessory. From its sleek design to the magnetic attachment system and thoughtful internal organization, the MagFit wallet exemplifies a perfect synergy of style and practicality. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone seeking a sophisticated solution for your everyday carry, Spigen's MagFit wallet is undoubtedly a game changer. Now, it's your turn to experience the seamless integration of form and function. If you're ready to elevate your wallet game, click the link in the description to get your hands on the Spigen MagFit wallet today. Don't miss the opportunity to streamline your essentials, enhance your style, and embrace a new level of organization. Hit that like button if you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more tech insights, and share your thoughts and experiences with the MagFit wallet in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and until next time, stay tuned for more tech-savvy guides and reviews.